Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you the difference between FCU and AHU. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, and please like and share my video with your friends and family. So let us start now. So as you can see, this is one format I have prepared. So I will explain you guys what is the difference between FCU and AHU. So first of all, you have to learn what is FCU and what is AHU. So FCU means fan coil unit. I will show you how it looks like. So this is I will show you here fan coil unit FCU. Let me search here and I will show you the FCU image here. FCU images. Okay. So you can see this is the FCU, how it looks like. This is fan coil unit, is called fan coil unit, and full form of FCU is fan coil unit. This is very small, and the maximum capacity of this unit is 5 TR or 7 TR. Okay. So this is the FCU, and this is available in two types. This is a chill water and DX type. Okay, so you can see the first difference is the available capacity of FCU is 2000 CFM. Okay, so 2000 CFM is nothing but the 4 TR or 5 TR. 5 TR, 2000 divided by 400, that means 5 TR. Okay, so maximum available capacity of fan coil unit is 2000 CFM. And AHU is nothing but the air handling unit, and how it looks like I will show you here. AHU image. See, this is the AHU. This is the AHU. Okay, it's called air handling unit, and this is the inside view of air handling unit. So you can see this is the fan section, and this is the supply air fan, and this is the fan sensor, airflow cooling coil, and this is mixing box. Okay, I will show you the another image. This is the AHU air handling unit, and this is AHU ceiling suspended type. Okay, so this is available capacity of maximum available capacity of air handling unit is 20,000 CFM. Here by mistake is written 20,000 CFM. Okay, so 20,000 CFM is nothing but divided by 400 is nothing but 50 ton. Okay, so we'll correct this 20,000 CFM. And the second difference is the fan coil unit is available in decorative and conceal type. Okay, and air handling unit is ceiling suspended type up to 25 TR, and floor mounted type is 250 TR, above 25 TR. Okay, above 25 TR. So decorative type fan coil unit I will show you here. Decorative type fan coil unit. Decorative type fan coil unit. So these are the decorative type fan coil unit is called split type. This is called a split unit, or is also called decorative type fan coil unit. Okay, and this is also fan coil unit is called FCU. Decorative type cassette unit is, this is cassette unit actually, but is called decorative type fan coil unit. Okay, and concealed type, the concealed second type is concealed type fan coil unit. These are the concealed type fan coil unit. Okay, so this is concealed type fan coil unit. Okay, so next is in this AHU, the ceiling suspended type AHU. So let me search here. I will show you how it looks like. Ceiling suspended type AHU. So these are the ceiling suspended type. These are the ceiling suspended type C. This is ceiling suspended type AHU. See, all these are ceiling suspended type AHU. Okay. And next type is floor mounted type AHU. So floor mounted. Let me search for you. Floor mounted type. Floor mounted type AHU. So these are the floor mounted type AHU. Okay. See, this is the floor mounted type AHU. This is bigger in size and weight. Okay. So next difference is fan motor is directly connected to the blower motor. Okay. So fan motor is directly connected to the blower, is direct driven type also called. Okay. And in the AHU, blower is connected to the motor with the help of belt and pulleys. So it's called belt drive. Okay. This is direct drive, FCU is direct drive, and the AHU is belt drive. The fourth difference is direct throw, no use of duct. This fan coil unit can be used directly as a for direct throw, and this AHU is bigger and there is higher CFM, so is use duct for distribution of air. Okay. And the fifth difference is fan coil unit is generally smaller than AHU and AHU is bigger than FCU. FCU is simple in design and AHU is more complex in design. So you can see here, this is AHU. How many parts are there in this inside of AHU? And the seventh difference is fan coil unit is used for a smaller space, one FCU, and AHU is used for bigger areas, more than one space. FCU recirculate the air, AHU treat the outside air. It is not recirculate the air. Okay. And the fan coil unit does not have any section for reheating and humidifying, but air handling unit is having reheating and humidifying section. This FCU fan coil unit is low in noise and this is AHU is high noise because of bigger size and higher CFM. The noise there are more noise in air handling unit and here is less noise because of a smaller capacity. Okay, and then the last and 11th difference is smaller in size and weight can be handled manually. This fan coil unit can be handled manually because of a smaller size. The size of unit and weight is also less. Okay, but air handling unit is bigger in size and weight. It cannot be handled manually. Crane is required for handling. Okay, so because of bigger size and weight is also more than this AHU, so we cannot handle this manually. So for handling of AHU, crane is required. So these are the difference between FCU and AHU. So I hope you guys learn what is the difference between air handling unit and fan coil unit. So please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So please subscribing and hit the bell icon as well if you are new on my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.